Hi everyone, this is Praveen Dure from Dice University, and in today's video we are going to take a look at how to make affiliate pages for Bing ads. Bing guys is going to be real Bing today. So before we proceed to today's video, just the usual guys, make sure you hit that subscribe button for this channel if you like the content of this channel. The like button for this video, definitely only if you like the video at the end of the video, not now guys, as well as the bell notification so that you don't miss any of our upcoming videos and so that we can keep creating good content for you all the time. So are you ready for today's video? Let's go.
This video is brought to you by Landrise.com. Create highly optimized landing pages in minutes. Get your 14-day free trial in the description below this video.
Welcome to today's video everybody, and in today's video we are going to talk about how to make an affiliate landing page for Bing ads, and the software that we are going to use for it is Landrise. Landrise is a landing page builder built by our very own Colin Dice himself, catering specifically for affiliate marketers. So they do have a normal drag and drop template. It's very easy to use and everything. I'm going to talk about that when we log in into Landrise. But then what I want to talk about this is why Landrise is so different and how it becomes one of the best affiliate landing page maker there is. It's because of a feature that Landrise has that allows you to go ahead and upload the landing page that you build straight away to the Amazon S3, which will make your landing page to load pretty fast. And why this is important is because this is one of the major issues faced by a lot of people, where a lot of affiliates, when they're using ClickFunnels, Elementor, Leadpage, and all this kind of stuff, is where they build a good ad, they could get a good click rate, they're paying for the click rate, but then they are loading a landing page loads very slow. And what happens when their landing page loads slow is their CTR rate goes down. If you know about CTR rate, then you will know that CTR rate and CR rate, which is the conversion rate, are directly proportional. So if your click-through rate goes down, your conversion rate will go down as well. Colin identified this problem, and therefore he came up with a solution called Landrise. Okay, so we're gonna take a look at Landrise in a while, but before that, let me just tell you that there is actually a 14 days free trial for Landrise available right now. You can actually get that 14 days trial by clicking the link in the description of this video, guys. Click on that particular link, get your free trials with Landrise today. So in today's video, what we're going to take a look at is how to build a landing page for Bing ads. So Bing is actually owned by Microsoft. What we're going to do first thing is we're going to go ahead and search a offer that we want to promote. Keep in mind that Bing is almost similar like Google. So whenever you're searching for a particular offer, right, make sure that offer has keywords. And even with Google's, the keywords can be a little bit less, but with Bing it need to be a lot. Maybe in the affiliate pages you would not find a lot of keywords, but at least find affiliate page which has keywords. I've actually found an offer. We're not going to waste any time. So this offer is actually a ClickBank University offer, which is a ClickBank product itself. So this is a video and everything. So when you go to the ClickBank affiliate page and you enter your name, let me just yep, this one. So you go ahead and enter your name, and let's just enter an email, for example, and then you can actually access into the particular tools that this particular ClickBank offer has, and they do have keywords, and this is what we're looking at. Even if you can look, they have only a minimal keyword, but using this keyword you can actually alter a lot of keywords. With Bing ad, what differentiates Bing ad a lot with Google ad is that with Google ad you might be able to use only this keyword and reach a good conversion rate, but with Bing ad you need a lot of keywords. You need 500 keywords, 1000 keywords, as much as you can get. So choose an offer which has a lot of keywords. Keep in mind, I'm just going to show this as an example, guys. So make sure it has a keyword and make sure it has a lot of keywords, and that's how you choose an offer for Bing ads. So once we have done that, you just go ahead and hit promote button. There will be a pop-up coming up just like the usual, and once the pop-up come up, just hit generate hop links, and you can actually see your affiliate link. Copy this affiliate link and keep it somewhere, so we're going to use it when we're building our Landrise, which is right now. So let's go ahead and log in into Landrise. So once you log in into Landrise, this is how Landrise will look like once you have logged in. So the first thing that I would highly suggest you to do when you log in into Landrise is go to the Getting Start section. Here there will be an introduction video on how to use Landrise, how to set up Amazon S3, how to connect your Amazon S3 with Landrise, how to reach Landrise support team, how to schedule an onboarding call, and all this, guys. So make sure you follow step 2 and step 3 very cautiously, because this is what separates Landrise, where this is where you're going to set up your domain and everything. So make sure you pay attention there, and this tutorial makes your life much more easier. And if you don't like to see videos, then you can go to the support section, and then in the support section, everything, the same details in the videos, it's in the text format as well, so you can use them as well. So let's not waste any time and get into our landing page builder. So the first thing that we need to do is go and press new landing page. So it will lead you to the templates page, my landing page template. So currently there's 18 templates available. Don't worry about that. Landrise is currently adding 4 brand new high converting templates every single day. So each of this template is tested by Colin and his team in themselves. They have spent a lot of money in this, and each of this particular template is catered for different particular reasons. For example, this one is for sweepstakes, this one is for neutral, this one is for gaming, this one is for FB, this one is for adult, this one is for casino, this one is for CBD. Sorry guys. And this one is for credit card, guys. So there's a lot of things here. So let's choose an offer page that we want to create. Keep in mind that Google and Bing ads, the reason that you want to create, you can straight away put your offer link in Bing ads and Google ads, but it's not highly recommended. And the reason why we want to create a landing page is because we want to warm up the audience. So let's choose a landing page that we want to create. Let's go ahead with this one. So we're going to name it Click Bang University, and then you can actually start editing. So it's very easy to edit something with ClickBank, with Landrise. If you want to copy this whole thing, all you got to do is just hit the brown button, rename the title a little bit, and then it will be copied. And then you can move around this with the purple thing. And then if you want to edit this particular section, all you got to do is click on the pencil, and then you can just edit it just like this. For example, you can do all this kind of stuff. And if you don't want this at all, you can straight away go ahead and delete this. That's the highlight about Landrise, guys. So it's so easy to use. So let's start doing this, right? Okay, so the first thing is we're gonna change this, right? So what is this ClickBank offer is that we want to teach people on how to make money in affiliate marketing. So what we're gonna do is win a stand a chance to win. We're gonna change that. We're gonna make it like a different kind of landing page. So we're gonna do it like make your first $100 online today. So something like this. Okay, so congratulations, we have given a limited time for and you can do a lot of stuffs here. Let me just say that you can actually change the color, for example, like this, and then you can change the background color. You can make it bold, you can make it big, you can make it italic, you can underline it if you want to, something like this. And then you can even embed your affiliate link within it. You know, the affiliate link that we generated just now, you can embed it, you can save it, so it will look pretty neat over here, guys. So okay, let's go to the next section. So you can do that in all these sections. So let's go to the next section. Congratulations, we have limited number of people in your area to get into this giveaway participation in a short survey. Yeah, okay, we're gonna change this. So we're gonna change it. We have a limited number of people in your area to get into this crazy money making opportunity today. So we're gonna change this iPhone, right? We're gonna make it look, we're gonna change the title into Click Bang University. To claim to claim your seats, please answer these 3 questions. So we're gonna warm up them something like we do with Instagram and all this kind of stuff. So before we go to the question, let's change this image. So every time you change an image, right, just go ahead and take an image from the affiliate page. Like let's say for example, is there any good banners here that we can actually use? Oh my god, the banners are very bad. It's not interesting at all. Okay, this is not an interesting banner. Okay, maybe we can save this. Let's try with this one, guys. Let's try this image. Browse, simple as that. Just browse and put your image. This is too big, guys. So too big, so you can actually find a different image. Maybe we can go for this one. Let's just check out this is your landing page, guys. So you're gonna spend some time doing your stuff here. Oh, this looks nice, this looks nice. The congratulations and everything we can actually change into blue, right, just to make things looks much more epic. So we're gonna change this into blue, just highlight it, change it into blue, and then let's embed this one with our affiliate link as well. I will the way I do it is I usually embed the link wherever it is possible, guys. So wow, it looks great, right? Yep, it looks great. Now we can actually move to our question section, right? So let's go to the question section. So let's name the question. So the first questions is usually we try to make this as fast as possible. So the first question would usually be a filtration question. So when you're targeting a Bing ads, you're targeting a specific country, right? So let's just put the specific country here. So you want to filter whether your audience are really, because you're going to have leads, right? So whether your audience are really from that particular countries or they are not from that particular countries, which will make like, are they actually qualified for the offer or they are not qualified for the offer. So that's how it will go. So the first question is, let's say we want to change it into, are you from Malaysia, for example? It's either yes or no, simple as that. So the next question would be, do you own any Apple products? No, we're going to change this. All the questions will be binary, guys. So this is actually a very good landing page template. So it makes life much more easier for everybody. So do you currently earn money online? Make them feel guilty. Remember, first question, second question usually will be the filtration, and then the second last question in this particular template, this is the second question is the second last question. So it will usually be, you want to make them feel guilty. If we have a chance to make money, do you actually making money currently online? No, definitely not. So oh yes, I am. So what would you, now you're going to lock them. The final question would be locking them into the offer. So would you like to make $100 per day starting right now? Okay, so the answers that you're gonna put is yes, no, let's, don't, make sure whatever your questions is, the answer should not be confusing the audience. Let's get started. Okay, let me think about it. Okay, the next one would be I am not so sure. I don't want to. Okay, makes sense, right? Would you like to make $100 per day starting right now? Let's get started. Let me think about it. I'm not so sure about it. I don't want to. So simple as that. Direct questions, direct landing page. Simple as that. That's how I think. Yeah, this template that's the template. So we have done with the question. So everything is so direct. Let's go and do a last filtering where we're going to change the color. Let's see which color. uh I have an idea. Let's make it a blue, a bright blue, and then we change this into red. How's that sound? And then we change this into red back because our questions are in red, right? So we're going to change this into red back. Now it looks really, really nice, right? So you can actually embed your link here as well for this one. Let me just embed my affiliate link here, and also Clickbank University, right? So congratulations. Also, I'm gonna embed the link. So that's it, guys. We have successfully created a landing page. Maybe the color is not nice, but this totally depends on you. I'm just showing you guys that you can actually change the color anytime, very easily. Let's go for white. How white looks like. Wow, white looks pretty nice as well. I think we will go with white. What say you? Okay. Okay, we're gonna save that. So this total depends on your creative, but this is how you actually do it. It's pretty simple, and you can get this done within minutes, guys. That's how easy it is. So the last step is for you to go to the gear icon. Make sure your page title is correct. If you don't know how to name your page title, go to your offer page, and then you can actually see your page title there and get a inspiration. So I just got an inspiration of changing this into capital B, and here is where you are going to put your affiliate link, guys, and hit save. Make sure you erase everything first, and then you put your affiliate link, and then you hit save. That's it, you are done. Final step, go to my landing page over here, scroll down, find your landing page, which is this one, hit publish. When you hit publish, they will ask you to choose a domain. Don't worry about it. Choose the domain that you have previously installed and connected with Landrise. If you see the getting started section, right, there was section step 2 and step 3. Step 3 is where you connect your domain. So you can actually go ahead and connect your domain. Usually you will only have one domain, but if you can connect few domains and choose a domain and hit publish. When you hit publish, unfortunately nothing happens. So sad. I'm just kidding, guys. You can actually see your campaign has been successfully exported to Amazon as free, guys. But you're worried it's not showing here, right? Don't worry, guys. Just refresh it, and now it will actually show that it's already published. And you can also go ahead and cross-reference check this with your Amazon S3 itself. So basically, that's how you go ahead and build an affiliate page for Bing Ads, guys. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward because of Landrise. And if you want to use Landrise, it's actually a 14 days trial for Landrise available right now. I've attached the link in the description for this video for your convenience. Click on that link, grab your 14 days free trial today. And also there is a 45 days free native ads course. Free native ads course specially catered for Dice University Forum members. This is like our gift to them. So you can also go ahead and grab this 45 days free native ads course by joining the Dice University Forum today. The link is also in the description below. Dice University Forum. Click on that link, join it, and claim your 45 days free native ads course today. So before I go, I just want to remind you, please hit the subscribe button for this channel, the like button for this video if you like this video, as well as the bell notification so that you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. So I'll be seeing you in the next one, right? Till then, ta-da!